This is a collection of 8 different metallic pearls. Now, why do we have 8 different pearls for one project? Because today we are revisiting a classic. 9 years ago, we did a video called Metallic Madness, where we took all the silver metallic pearls that we had in the warehouse. There were 4 of them. We mixed them all together and sprayed it over a black base. It was a very popular project. It came out awesome. So today, we are doing Metallic Madness version 2. And 9 years later, we don't just have 4 silver metallic pearls in the warehouse, we have 8, and they are all going together. So, let me walk you through what 8 pearls are going to be in this mixture and which 8 pearls are likely going to fight against each other, making our life very difficult. We have Underground Punisher. We have Sterling Silver. We have Hyper Silver. We have Hyper Graphite. Then Carbon Silver. Sparkling Graphite. Storm Cloud Gray. And Hyper Titanium. This is either going to create an incredible combination of metallic silvers that blow us completely out of the water, or, like I said, they're all going to fight against each other and we're going to have a cloudy mess. Gabe, predictions? Exactly. So, Hyper Titanium, I'm going to pour them all together on top and then blend it all together into one giant hurricane.
Sure.
Storm Cloud Gray. Sparkling Graphite. Oh, they're going to start sinking.
That original Metallic Madness was pretty awesome.
It was pretty awesome. Carbon Silver. This is kind of a wild card. We did not have this one last time. A lot of these actually we didn't have last time. Hyper Graphite. Oh, one giant tidbit I forgot to mention. The last time we did Metallic Madness, we did 50 grams of each pearl and had about 200 grams total. It was a lot. We've learned a lot about pearls and how to use pearls over the past 9 years. So this time, we're going with a much lower pigment load of each pearl in order to try to get a better effect, more contrast. So Gabe, if you want to do the math, 5 grams of 8 different pearls is a total of 40 grams. Cutting that with another gallon like usual, it'll be a 20 gram per gallon load instead of a 200 gram per gallon load. Okay, that's all 8. I've already made a mess. And let's see them come together in a metallic harmony. Oh yeah. All right. All right. My only fear is that the carbon silver and the sterling silver, being alloy-based pearls, and they're not translucent, are going to be so powerful that they might kind of run the show here, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen.
No, it almost looks like liquid carbon fiber, which is pretty awesome.
Yeah, or like that Terminator liquid?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's see what the stick of truth has to say. We're going to have to blend the crap out of this before we spray it, but for the sake of time... Oh yeah, okay. This may actually play out. All right, so here's what we're working with. We've got darks, we've got lights, we've got a little bit of sparkle. I'm actually pumped about this. You ready?
Oh yeah.
We're working on the BMW 3 Series, by the way, over a black base. Metallic Madness, version 2. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Metallic Madness version 2 is complete, and it might just be the most metallic finish that we've ever done. I can't wait for you guys to see it. We're gonna take it outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at this car, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me, 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. If you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I love this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you on the next one.